Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, MG Sports TV. Yeah, still can't get used to the name by now. But anyway, thank you very much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys coming in and tuning in again. We're going to speak about Lenny Hyde, aka Lenny Hyde, of Portmore United. Recently got the sack, got the boot. Would you say that? Well, the article says that he steps down. But from a very, very poor start of the Jamaica Premier League season this time around, I don't think that this is quite surprising. I do think that it's something that many would have expected. And it's actually highlight some of the deficiency in the team. The last time I spoke with Lenny Hyde, I did a post-match interview with him. Portmore United, I think they played against, I believe it was Waterhouse, and Waterhouse defeated them. I don't remember. But he did spoke about issues of young players, bedding in young players, and all those aspects of football. But we're going to get into the article. Before I get into the article, please guys, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. As you know, still trying to get the work done. Still trying to do the things to get the algorithm up on my side regards to, the recent events. But nevertheless, let's get straight into the article. So this is what the article says. Hyde steps down as Portmore United's coach. Surprisingly, he has been there for a while. Let's get into it. So this is what the article is stating, people. So Lenny Hyde has resigned from his position as head coach of Portmore United senior men's team. The club announced Hyde's resignation via a press release on Wednesday evening, noting it took effect on Monday, May 9th, and he may resign for personal reasons. Portmore, who are six-time Jamaica Premier League champions, further added that Philip Williams will be the new head coach of the team. Williams will also be the technical coordinator for Portmore United youth and grassroots programs. Now, Williams, who recently stepped down as head coach of Tivoli Garden FC, is also the current head coach of the St. Andrew Technical High School football team. And in recent times, they have been reaping success. They have had quite an important project or a significant project going on right now, the stats team. But that is the news right now. Lenny Hyde has stepped down and has handed in his resignation as the Portmore United head coach. Most notably, it seems as if things aren't turning for the best. But that is just how football is sometimes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you're on the job, sometimes you're getting sacked, sometimes you're on a job, and sometimes you are stepping down. And at this point in time, Lenny Hyde says that he's stepping down, and most definitely you have to respect his decision. One which I do think it comes in a bit strange to most people, because we all know from ever since once he said Portmore United, you're saying Lenny Hyde. When he said Clarendon College, you're saying Lenny Hyde. All those factors intertwined. It's like bun and cheese. They are married together. But that is the situation. Hopefully, we'll see how this one goes. Let's see if Williams can come in Portmore United and get them on the job. I'm gonna have a look. I do believe that Portmore United, let's see, they played 70 games this season and only mustered 4 wins and 4 draws. Suffered 9 losses this season out of 17 games. The loss percentage is definitely vastly too high. They have scored 13 goals and conceded 25 goals. And out of 17 games, they could have only amassed 16 points. So you can definitely see the reason for his resignation, him stepping down. You can see the reason for him stepping down. These stats are not looking good there. Not in his favor, but that's just how football is some of the time. But anyways, people, most definitely I won't get go any further. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We'll see you guys again. We're out.